A 22-year-old college intern discovered her boss was stealing millions from retirees. She had two choices: stay quiet and keep her career safe, or speak up and risk everything. Sarah was reviewing client files when she noticed the numbers didn't add up. Her supervisor was moving money from pension accounts into his personal investments. When she confronted him, he smiled coldly and said, "You'll never work in finance again if you breathe a word of this." Sarah went home that night terrified. Her family begged her not to get involved. "You're just an intern," her mom pleaded. "This could destroy your future." But she couldn't sleep knowing dozens of elderly people were being robbed of their life savings. The next morning, she called the FBI. 3 months later, her supervisor was arrested. Clients recovered $2.3 million. The managing partner personally offered Sarah a full-time position with a signing bonus. 2 years later, she became the youngest senior auditor in company history. Sometimes doing the right thing doesn't just save others, it saves your own soul too.